welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. So this look is more like a no makeup look, and I've created this look using more of skincare products and less of makeup products. It's like a clean makeup जो कि आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा trending है. So we'll also try to achieve that healthy glowing skin. So let's begin. So the first step is to clean our face, and for cleaning my face I'm going to use raw milk. You already know guys how much I love using raw milk, and I'm just going to take a cotton and I'm going to dip it in raw milk. Guys, I love to use raw milk, and raw milk is so good for skin, and it is like a natural cleanser. So I really enjoy using raw milk on my face. I'll just apply it on my face like this. And I just like to massage like this, and it's so refreshing and hydrating, and I really enjoy this step. I like to keep it on for a couple of minutes and then I'll rinse it off. My skin is already feeling so nice and plumpy. So now I'm going to exfoliate my face, and for exfoliating my face I'm going to use coffee and milk. So these are the two ingredients which I'm going to use. So here I'm taking some coffee and then I'm mixing some milk in this. You just need to mix the ingredients according to the consistency. So guys, I would not recommend you to exfoliate daily. I usually exfoliate like once in a week, and please guys don't exfoliate daily. It will harm your skin. And बहुत ज़्यादा easy DIY है ये. You just need 2 ingredients. वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा easily available होते हैं, and you can just make it. It's very easy. So I have washed my face and my skin is looking so soft and supple. I really love this DIY scrub. So now guys, after exfoliating my face, I use this steamer. So now I'm going to use a sheet mask. तो मैंने अभी steam लिया है, and अब मैं sheet mask लगाऊंगी, तो उससे sheet mask का serum ज़्यादा अच्छे से penetrate होगा मेरी skin में. So ज़्यादा अच्छा glow मिलेगा, and that glow will last me really long. So that's why I really love this trick. And if you want that next level glow, so please include sheet mask in your skincare routine. It will definitely give you really hydrating glowing skin. So today I'm going to use the sheet mask from the brand Mamaearth, and it is their rose water bamboo sheet mask. And इसके ingredients जो है वो rose water है इसमें and milk है, and these ingredients really attracted me. So that's why I'm using this sheet mask. And yeah. Sheet mask कितना pampering लगता है. I feel like it's me time. I just like to massage the serum into my skin, and yeah. So now it's the time for little skin treatment. So for that I'm going to use the Mamaearth Bye Bye Open Pores Face Cream. You can minimize the appearance of enlarged pores with Mamaearth Bye Bye Open Pores Face Cream. And guys, it is crafted with the power of niacinamide and goodness of rose hip. And this face cream is so lightweight, and it has this quick absorbing formula, and it helps to unlock your pores gently, and prevents blackheads and whiteheads. And thanks to rose hip, your skin feels deeply nourished and moisturized after using this face cream. Mamaearth Bye Bye range has 2 more products, that is Bye Bye Wrinkles Face Cream and Bye Bye Blemishes Face Cream, and this range takes care of all your skin issues. Time to say bye bye skin problems. And also guys, all Mamaearth products are free from harmful chemicals and all natural. Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. The exact geolocation, picture and the species of the tree will be sent to you. Mamaearth has also launched their official app. Users get early access to sales and get extra discount. You can use my code Granule2022 for additional 20% off at Mamaearth.in, and their products are available on Mamaearth, Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. So now guys, I'm done with my skincare, which was the most part of the video, and now we'll move on to a little makeup. So first of all, I'm using this concealer, and this is the sugar concealer, and this is basically called as the magic wand waterproof concealer. You know, basically using it under my eyes and वो भी बहुत थोड़ा सा, and little bit here, yeah, and then I'm just blending it in. So basically, you know, जो भी थोड़ा बहुत product beauty blender पे आ जाता है, I'm just dabbing it over my face, you know, जिससे कि थोड़ा face even लगे. And now guys, I'm just going to apply the fixing powder, जिससे कि you know मेरा concealer crease ना हो. And I'm just taking a dry beauty blender and उसकी help से I'm just going to apply this. I'll let it set for like 30 to 40 seconds and then I'll just dust it off. So now for the eyes, I'm going to use only two products. So the first product is the brow pencil. So now I'm just going to spray onto the brush. I'm not using the actual product, बस मैं brush की help से you know brows को upwards brush कर रही हूँ. And also I use little bit of mascara. तो मेरा blush लगाने का भी मन हो रहा है, so I'm using the My Glam Tinted Up Stain. So it looks like this, and I'm just applying a little bit over here. Yeah, like this. And I'll blend it using my fingers only. You can follow this routine when you are traveling or you know just like a daily makeup routine. It's very easy and it's not time taking at all. Plus you know मैंने इसमें काफी कम makeup products use किए हैं, तो आप इसको regularly भी follow कर सकते हैं. And now I'm using the liquid illuminator, बहुत थोड़ा सा like here on the high points. You know, on a daily basis, I don't prefer powder highlighters. I like to use liquid highlighters, you know, instead of powder highlighters.